There are two WordPresses. They are not the same thing, and picking the wrong one is the most common mistake people make when they start a website. WordPress.org is the free open source software. You download it, you put it on hosting you control, and you can do anything you want with it. WordPress.com is a hosted service run by a company. That is the one with the pricing page, and that is the one most beginners land on first without realizing there was a choice. So open that pricing page. There are 5 tiers: free, personal at $9 a month, premium at $18, business at $40, and commerce at $70. The free tier is where the confusion starts. You get a WordPress.com subdomain, 1 gigabyte of storage, and no plugins at all. There is also something the free tier does that is easy to miss. It shows WordPress.com's own adverts to your visitors. You are not just limited, you are part of the advertising inventory. And plugins, the single thing WordPress is famous for, only unlock on the business plan at $40 a month. So the version of WordPress most people picture when they say the word starts at $40 a month here, or costs nothing at all if you install the .org software on your own host.
So, the verdict. WordPress.com is a safe, tidy place to write, and a frustrating place to build. If you want plugins and control, use the .org software with your own hosting instead. 7 out of 10 for the software itself, 5 out of 10 for how the free tier is presented. If this cleared something up, hit the like button and subscribe so the next review shows up for you. Turn the bell on so you do not miss it. Thanks for watching.